Good morning, children. Today we are going to start GK, page number 32, 33, and 34. Okay, children, take out page number 32, States of India. India has 29 states. There are also 7 union territories. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India. Tell me, children, what is Gujarat famous for? Gujarat is famous for its cloth, food, and Asiatic life. Yes, let's move ahead. Page number 32. This list contains the names of famous people, place, foods, clothes, and languages of different states. What you have to do? You have to identify the states. Okay, first one, Malayalam, coconuts, coffee, fishing boats, PT Usha, and backwaters. The answer is, the state is Kerala. PT Usha is a retired Indian track and field athlete. PT Usha is called the Queen of Indian track and field. You know, children, PT Usha, she belongs to Kerala. She won 4 Asian gold medals. She was awarded Arjuna Award in 1983. And Malayalam is the language of Kerala. Okay. Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of it. It was formed on 1st November. Okay. Second one, Bhupen Hazarika, Dispur, Guwahati, the Bihu festival, T. Meghala Chadar. The state is Assam. Bhupen Hazarika, he was an Indian playback singer. And Dispur is the capital of Assam. And Guwahati, that is a city in Assam. Meghala Chadar is the traditional dress for the women of Assam. Now third one, Nalanda, Gaya, Maithili, Bhojpuri, Patna, and Nitish Kumar. The state is Bihar. Nalanda is a university in Bihar, and Gaya, that is a holy city in Bihar. The population of Maithili region is big. Bhojpuri is a language of Bihar. Okay. Fourth one, Sundarbans, Santali, Shanti Niketan, Durga Puja. The state is West Bengal. Sundarbans is a mangrove area. The number of tigers increased to 96 in 2020. Santali is language spoken in West Bengal. Okay. Fifth one, Bengaluru, Mysore Palace, computer and IT companies, Kaveri River, Kannada. That is Karnataka. Kannada is the language of Karnataka. Mysore Palace is historical palace. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Okay. Number 6, Kanpur, Bada Imambara, Varanasi, chicken embroidery, the state Uttar Pradesh. Kanpur is a metropolis and the largest city of Uttar Pradesh. Bada Imambra, also known as Asfi Mosque in Lucknow. Varanasi is an important industrial center famous for its silk palace and perfumes. Chicken embroidery, that is a traditional embroidery style from Lucknow. Number 7, Marathi, Arabian Sea, Nagpur, Pune, Ajanta Caves, sugar. The state is Maharashtra. Nagpur is the largest city in Maharashtra. Ajanta Caves are rock-cut Buddhist cave monument in Maharashtra. Solapur district has highest number of sugar factory. Okay. Number 8, Dal Lake, Indira Gandhi Tulip Garden, houseboat. That is Jammu Kashmir. Number 9, Telugu, the language of Andhra Pradesh. Fishing, Visakhapatnam, famous for its port. Sania Mirza, Chandrababu Naidu. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Last, number 10, Meenakshi Temple, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli. The state is Tamil Nadu. Children, you have to read this properly, learn it and copy this in your workbook or in your GK textbook. Okay. Page number 33, Dances of India. Which dance is performed to Malayali songs, music from Karnataka and is influenced by Bharatanatyam and Kathakali? Look at the picture properly. Yes, this is a classical dance form of Kerala, Mohiniyattam. Okay. Second one, for which dance do performers wear towering headgear and long silver nails? Look at the picture. The dance form is Kathakali. Third one, which dance is performed by swaying and gliding movements and is popular in the state of Manipuri and some states in northeast India? You already learned in 3rd standard, that is Manipuri. Fourth one, which dance believed to be over 2000 years old was developed in the temples of Odisha, Odissi. Section B, these are folk dances of India. Where did they originate? That also you learned earlier. In 3rd standard, you learned about it. Bhangra, Punjab. Chao, Jharkhand. Santali, Purulia, West Bengal. Koli, Maharashtra. Bihu, Assam. Dandiya and Garba, Gujarat, and Ghumar, Rajasthan. Okay. Let's move ahead. Page number 34. Long ago, far away. Name these people from history. Let's see. Number 1, he was a great general and he loved his horse Bucephalus very much. He loved his horse Bucephalus very much and built a city in its memory. Alexander the Great. Second one, he was an Egyptian boy king. His tomb was found over 3000 years after his death. His coffin was made of solid gold. Tutankhamun. Third one, everybody knows the answer. He hardly ever went to school but loved reading. He became one of the most famous president of the United States of America in 2012. A movie was made about him. The answer is Abraham Lincoln. Number 4. In 1854, with 38 other nurses, she looked after thousands of wounded British soldiers during the Crimean War. She was called the Lady with Lamb, Florence Nightingale. Number 5, she ruled England for 63 years. She was also the Empress of India. A monument in Kolkata was built in her memory. Children, you learned about Queen Victoria in 3rd standard. The answer is Queen Victoria. Number 6, he was a British poet and playwright. He was also called the Bird of Avon. He was born in Stratford upon Avon in England. Some of his famous plays are Merchant of Venice, Hamlet, Julius Caesar, etc. Answer is William Shakespeare. Okay, children, you have to read lesson properly and write the answers. Okay, thank you.